Holy macaroni, what happened?
Look at those boobies!
You were supposed to go in for a circumcision.
He tried to come onto the couch and he bounced off of it.
You were supposed to go in for a circumcision. Then what'd you come out with? Oh my goodness. Logan.
He likes it way too much.
Hey, Logan. Ah, you weirdo.
Look, you got your own pillow. Logan, come here. Come here. Oh.
Oh, Maca. Oh, boy. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Stop feeling yourself up like that. All right.